Okay, we need some vinegar, food colouring, paper towel and bicarb. Put that bicarb on the paper towel and let's fold it up all the way over and fold the corners so that we have created a nice little package. Then put your vinegar in a clip seal bag and put your food colouring in that. Now that's the trick. You've got to hold it. Hold the top and then you have to do up the clip seal bag and then drop it in and let it go. Woo, it popped. Okay, let's watch it again. Now sometimes it doesn't pop, but this is where the fun experiment comes because you can just experiment with different amounts of vinegar and bicarb soda and you can watch what happens. All right, we can see this bag is going up. It's not quite working as I wanted, so I've just given it a little shake again and put it on the side and let's see what happens.